Hey there, glad to have you. Stick around if you want to learn how I make my vegan Rasta pasta. So what we're doing is just sauteing the vegetables, but keep in mind you want them to still be firm because we are going to be simmering them in the sauce. So you don't want to overcook them while you saute. If you don't have this, all you need is really onion powder, garlic powder, some paprika, and a little salt. You can make your own all-purpose seasoning. So guys, this is my first time using this vegan cheese in a sauce, and it definitely takes a little patience as far as getting it melted. It doesn't melt as quickly as regular cheese, so definitely give it some time. I find that if you give it some time, it eventually melts, so just keep stirring it and allow it to melt. So by this point, you need to taste the sauce and check if you need to adjust the pepper or the salt, anything like that. Because once you add the pasta, you know, you don't want to be seasoning again. So just check the sauce and see if it needs anything. So definitely allow the pasta to soak up all that delicious sauce. Let it simmer just briefly, and once it's soaked up most of that sauce, all you need to do is just serve it warm, because it's not really meant to be reheated. You want to have this when it's freshly made. There you go, guys. Vegan Rasta pasta, super delicious. Can't wait for you to try it. Let me know in the comment section if this is a vegan dish that you would try. And remember, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section, or you can even message me on my Instagram page. Thanks again for watching, guys, and see you next time.